Hi dear Anna, how are you feeling?
Well, I'm hanging in there.
Wow. So guys, this is the class today. So I hope you will enjoy and stay tuned till the end. We'll start with the first exercise is Dolphin Push-up to strengthen our core and for the shoulders. So you need to come on your forearms, interlock your fingers and then slowly lift your hips up like a downward facing. Now inhale and while exhaling you try to reach to the mat in front on top of your mat. Again inhale, going back, you can do this for 5 times. Exhale. 3, inhale, exhale. 4, breathe in, it starts warming up your arms, breathe out. 5, breathe in and breathe out. Let's hold here for 5. So you can see the protraction of the shoulders, you can feel the core is engaged and there is a lot of strengthening in the arms, in your tricep area. 3, 2 and 1. Slowly drop your knees and relax in child's pose. And you can take a break after each exercise. See, this is just we did for 5 counts. Once you start practicing, maybe you can reach up to 10 count, but depends like how much you need to warm up, because we did already stretching and warming exercise, so we are okay, we are good to go, right? So make sure you do some neck and shoulder stretching before starting with these foundation exercises. Now the second exercise will be Chaturanga. For Chaturanga, what we'll do is we'll use the blocks. So initially those who are practicing as a beginners, if there is no blocks, what you can do is you can put a bunch of books, like 2 books you can put it both the sides and you can see the level of your shoulder, how much it is reaching. So for Ms. Rana, I have put it 2 blocks, so it is easier for her to lean on that blocks. So coming in a plank position and then breathe out, pushing that shoulder, resting on the blocks and then coming up. Push, exhale, slowly bending your elbow in a 90-degree angle and inhale up. Again, exhale, pushing the chest forward and inhale up. Very nice. 4, 2 more, breathe in, breathe out. You can do it, yes, and up. One last time, inhale and exhale. So feel the stretch on your arms, your core, your tricep. 3, hold, 2 and 1. You push yourself up. It is struggling, but you need to work out every day. Relax in child's pose. You can rest your shoulders. Maybe if you want to give some stretching for the arms, you can interlock your fingers and move your hands side to side. Relax for a while. See, in this 2 exercise only, your body will start heating up, your arms will start warming up, your core will, you'll understand the engagement of the core. Because if you're doing any transition, like for example, if you're preparing for forearm plank or Pincha Mayurasana, or if you're going for Ashtavakrasana or Dvipad Bhujangasana, you make sure that you need to warm up your arms and the core. Now the third exercise, what she will do is a half split or half Hanumanasana to the crescent lunge or low lunge. Okay, so first we'll step our right foot forward. Yeah, coming in lunge position and check the front knee and ankle in one line, pushing that hip, so sinking this left hip down, and then breathe out. We move in split, coming on the heel and toes pointing in. Again, breathe in 5 times, we'll do it. Raise and stretch your spine, push your chest out. Exhale. We push our hips back in, coming in that front leg, straighten your knee. 3, inhale. So this will give you a nice warming exercise for your hamstring. Breathe out and your hips, so that whenever you do any kind of stretch, you should not have muscle pull. Breathe in slowly and breathe out. Push your hips back. One more time. Inhale, push your hips out and let's hold 3 breaths. Opening your heart, pushing this hip down. 3, 2, and 1. Exhale. Push your hips back and straighten your knee. Flex your foot so your toes pointing in. And stay for 3 breaths. You lean completely on that, resting your belly, chest on your thigh. 3, 2, and 1. Relax. You can drag your heel back and tap your feet. Relax your legs. Now we move to the left side. So make your left foot forward, bring it in front, breathe in. Again, make sure you're trying to lower your hips in front and keep the more space so that you don't put the pressure on the kneecap. Exhale, we push our hips back and coming on your heel. Hips are closed in a squared shape. Again, 2, breathe in and raise your chin up. Open your lungs, breathe out. Pushing your hip back and coming on a half split. 3, inhale, push your hip in front and raise your chest and chin up. Exhale, push your hips back. 4, try to be more aware that which muscle you are engaging. Breathe out, push your hips back. And one more time, inhale, let's hold for 3 breaths. 3, inhale, 2, and 1. Exhale, push your hips behind, coming in half split, trying to move the toes in. And feel your hamstring, your back of your knee. 3, 2, and 1. You slide your heel, drag your heel back and relax both the feet. You can tap your feet and rest in child's pose. You can relax your hips back and rest your arms and relax for 3 to 5 breaths. So these are the foundation. We try to clear it up before moving to the transition. Today we will take asana called Bhujangasana to Ashtavakrasana, how you should go from one to another asana. Okay, now the last exercise what we will show is we'll do the wall handstand using the wall. So it is easy. First measure yourself, okay, resting your palms down on the floor. So always make sure your shoulder and your wrist are in one line and it is shoulder width apart. Then raising your right leg or whichever leg is comfortable, you lift up and bring it in your navel, line of your abdomen or your pelvic. The other leg is straight up. Engage your core. Breathe in and breathe out. Stay here. 1, inhale, exhale. 2, if you can see her toes, yes. 3, breathe in, breathe out. 4, so there is no arch. And 5, okay, change your leg. So both the sides we will work out. Now inhale, her other leg will come up and breathe. Check your right leg is perpendicular. Your shoulders are, I see, protract. There is no arch and this leg is straight up. 2, breathe. 3, so this will strengthen a lot of, yeah, no problem. It happens, you know, and then rotate your wrist, relax your fingers and you can give a big hug. We'll do it other side again. Okay, so see, it happens naturally. If we struggle for the asanas, this journey is not that, okay, in 1 day, 2 day or 1 month. So we have to practice every day. So now, yes, try again. Wow, see, this is the spirit, you know, we should have it, this motivation. Now we will practice with the other sides. Inhale and slowly she will step her left leg up and trying to bring that foot slowly down, down, down. Hold 5, yes, nice. 4, you should never give up. 3, inhale, exhale. 2, and relax. Rest your legs and you can relax your arm. Maybe you can stay there for some time and hanging your, maybe you would just want to relax your neck. If you want to interlock your fingers, maybe you want to take that arm behind over your head and relax. Stay here for a few breaths. So whenever we do inversions, it is tiring, especially when you choose doing Chaturanga or doing some push-up exercises. Of course, it's not that easy. Once you will start practicing, you will know it. Yes, 2 and 1. Relax. Okay, so we are ready for the asana called Dvipad Bhujangasana to Ashtavakrasana. So please step on your mat. Okay. So we are ready for the transition. So Miss Rana is using her blocks. So we can use the props initially, and then slowly as we develop the strength, we can just do it without the blocks. So keeping that hip width apart, standing up in Uttanasana. So going down slowly, micro bending your knees, and then we try to move our arms from that under our thighs. If you notice, her thighs are on top of the shoulders. Dvipad means 2 legs are on top of the shoulders. So it is this, your shoulders are protracting and folding your spine. Fingers wide open so that you can use each and every fingertips to hold yourself. And her core is engaged. Now slowly breathe in. She will start rising her both the legs one by one and staying there, hanging there. See, if you notice, the hips are not pushing down, hips are little higher in line of your navel. You try to move your head down, lower your head down. Yes, and breathe. 3, 2 and 1. You may open your legs if you are comfortable. So for this, we need our hamstring very, muscles should be very much active. So we did that split, half split. Very nice for the Firefly. She's also doing this Firefly. This is the Firefly pose. 3, 2 and 1. Again, you bring it back closer. And now what you can do is you can rest your feet. She will remove her right hand and placing on the right block. Now crossing your right ankle and placing it on top. Your right ankle placing on the left ankle. Nicely entangle and lean forward, moving in a Chaturanga style. As we say, we did that perpendicular, holding your body, stretching your legs out, and you can see her pose. Breathe. Yes. Very good. 2, 3, 4 and relax. How are you feeling? It is intense, yeah guys, it's not that easy, but she did wonderful. Now with the other side, but before that you can just give a little rotation of your wrist, maybe your fingers, if you have a very sensitive wrist. So you can always give some movement. Maybe what you can do, come here Rana, and you can always turn your palm like this upside down and give a nice rotation, circles, like just give a nice circles. So whatever tension we have it in the wrist, this areas, muscles, so it is gonna be fine. And you can prepare yourself mentally for the other side. Okay, so you ready? Okay, great. So we'll start it from the beginning. Always understand the technique, how you go in the asana and how you come out. So we are just doing the beginning this stage. I know people are wonderful out there doing so many other transitions, like from the Ashtavakrasana going in a Ekpath Kondinyasana. But we are trying our best, and I hope you are also enjoying this. This is for the beginners, those who really want to try something new. So first we'll go slowly, bend forward, moving both the arms from that under thigh, keeping that thigh on top of the shoulders and not on your tricep or the elbow joint, not here. It's always on top of the shoulders. Fingers wide open, and your feet are, the blocks are always closer to your feet. And now breathe in, holding that exhale completely and holding your core, engage your core and stay there hanging for some time. Why this hanging? So that you will understand and develop that yes, I need to hold my body. So 3 breaths we will hold. 3, 2 and focus at one point. Start stretching your legs out. Our drishti is very important. Means you focus at one spot without moving, so that you start getting more balanced and aware. Core engagement is there, shoulder engagement is there, so we need to warm up. So what we did, warm up exercise, so this is easier after that. Okay, 3, 2 and 1. Amazing. So we will bring our feet back to the ground. Then she will remove her left arm this time and bring it outside. Okay, so we'll place that left ankle on top of our right. So your left ankle will be on top of the right ankle, will nicely entangle, and you stretch your legs out to the sideways. That's why it is known as Ashtavakrasana. It's a crooked pose, you know. So we become crooked. It's done. See, both the sides are not easy, my dear friends. So understand, maybe one side is very flexible, the other side, still she's doing her best. So she'll give her one more, one more time. She will try again. Yes, keep trying. My rule is only one thing. You fall 10 times, 11 times, 100 times, but always rise up and you will always become better and better. Okay, so she will go for the right side. So this asana is Ashtavakrasana. Ashta is 8. Vakra is a crooked. So it's an 8 angle pose also people says, but I say 8 crooked pose. Okay, and stay here. Okay, let's hold for 3 breaths. Amazing. 3, yes, 2, so her chin is always lifted. So, and 1, relax. Rest. So whenever, so what you can do is for the forehead, you can use a block in case if you find that I have a fear of falling forward. So what we do generally, you can use a cushion or a block so that whenever you fall, you don't get hit or you don't get any bruises on your forehead or your chin. Okay, so here we finish our what you call Dvipad to Ekpad Kondanyasana. I hope you enjoyed the session, and yeah, and I hope, how about you? How did you feel the entire journey of this from the beginning to the end?
Yes, it's well, it's wonderful when you achieve the pose, but I think as you've seen, keep on trying.
Yeah, keep on trying. Yes, exactly. So never give up, guys, and I hope you enjoy this video, and see you. Stay blessed. Namaste.